Looked up here. Behind me you see video I shot earlier this month. I've been videotaping spacecraft in Earth's atmosphere for nearly 4 years. This year, very large ships have been appearing regularly in low Earth orbit. Some of these spaceships are designed to ferry smaller spaceships into Earth orbit. The smaller ships then leave the larger ships, and they are the ones we see in our atmosphere. And they are indeed more numerous than our conventional aircraft. There are easily 1,000 times more spaceships around this planet than there are airliners. I realize my statements go against everything you've been led to believe by authority and the media. However, if you look at this logically, it only stands to reason that we're not alone in the universe. The question becomes, since the distance between our planet and the next closest planet that will sustain life is so great, how did our visitors get here? They will have to answer that question because the answer exceeds our knowledge. But make no mistake about this. Extraterrestrial beings are here in mass, and they appear to be extremely interested in us. It's possible all we are to them is a curiosity, but it is likely to be a lot more complicated than that. Regardless of why they are here, the fact is they are here. And that means the question of the decade is, are you aware? Therein lies my quest. I discovered spaceships in our atmosphere in 2006. I was not the first, but I will not rest until every person on this planet is also aware. It is fundamental to being alive to be aware of your surroundings, and that we are being intently watched by beings with significantly advanced technology must be part of everyone's awareness. This July, we will conduct a public video shoot. The purpose is to dispel all of the criticism of our videotapes. Some people say we are simply filming dust particles or pollen, or that we are actually shooting into pools of water. With a collection of skeptical witnesses watching our every move, and with monitors attached to the camera so everyone present can see what the cameras see, we will debunk all the skepticism. Get used to it, folks. We're not alone, and in fact, we may be outnumbered. There are extraterrestrials less than 50 miles away from each and every one of us as I speak. They have been here since before any of us were born. They have been watching every one of us our entire lives without our knowledge. But our lack of awareness is coming to an end. The only reason you will remain unaware is for you to refuse to accept the truth. I am no longer speculating. I'm not guessing, and I'm not making this up. We are surrounded by extraterrestrials, and it is time to make that common knowledge so that we may begin the process of making contact. They are not burning fossil fuel. So with a small segment of the aliens' technology, we can wean ourselves from oil. Beyond that, we may learn to understand many of the universe's mysteries, not the least of which is how to manipulate gravity. I anticipate having the definitive video up by August 10th. We are just days away from definitive proof of the existence of alien beings in Earth orbit. Stay tuned to this channel for the rest of the story. Until then, this is Looked Up, signing off.